Right now we are gonna go to the beach. Huntington Beach.
Again, dude.
I said Beach Boulevard.
I know, but
Court's long enough.
pretty much just straight all the way now, right?
You pass a light, make a left. Rerouting, make a U-turn in 565 feet.
97.1.
And of course, we're here to go get our Starbucks. And close the minivan door. Gosh.
What is I put my hair in braids so that it could be curly later.
What you want, Anthony?
I'm having summer lights right now.
Summer lights.
That's the number one. Or you'll see more Lambos parked, and they'll just be like completely souped up and drop, and you don't see anybody get in them at all. That's an Evo 9.
But now she's changed again.
Babe, did you bring your whole suitcase?
For reals.
No, I brought this bag.
We made it to Huntington Beach.
The queue? Is the queue closed?
I feel like right hooking you.
How do you feel?
Gooder Homes.
How do you feel, Mom?
I feel better than this morning.
Throw up?
Throwing up. Ate breakfast.
How do you feel?
Feel like right hooking her?
Corinne. She doesn't want to talk to me. How do you feel?
I feel like I'm gonna grab that thing and throw it off the pier.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just end
I'm
this.
gonna make you really cry.
That dog's looking at you.
There's a puppy. My dude is just flopping in the water. What's up?
Hi, thank you for tuning in to Channel News 5, Huntington Beach. We're out here on the Huntington Beach Pier. Here we have 4 contestants. All said they saw
Can't hear you.
a white shark. You don't want to say it too loud because it's gonna get the residents uplifted. Sir, tell us, show us the spider you found. Oh man. Ah! How do you like the weather?
I don't like it.
He does not like it. Tell us why.
It's like too hot.
It's too hot.
How is it too hot? Gonna go get some lunch. Ruby's Diner was so good.
It was delish.
It was delish. Now we walking back.
It was delish.
I'm gonna put this in here.
So,
Yo. She's skinny.
I always get a late start when the traffic's running out. In the
Show me any attention. Jordan, go! There's a big wave!
By the time it gets in here.
Stop! That's cold! Ready to take a video. Just went to Sunset Beach. Next stop is the airport again. So I'm so tired. She's passed out.
and by the way, having a shared keyboard with other people is often rough.
Hello!
What up,
Hello, Marissa. This is where you put your stuff.
Ready?
Yeah, we're good.
I'm pretty sick, man. So we're back at the hotel, and we're gonna go to downtown Disney to get our Disney tickets for tomorrow because we don't want to wait in a line in the morning. So now we're gonna try and find our way there walking.
Walking? We're walking?
Yes. So hopefully it all turns out good.
Okay.
Right, let's go.
We're just gonna leave the TV.
Do you have your wallet?
Yeah. Have everything. Where's everybody?
In my mom's room.
Everybody wants to get ready.
Put
as
some
soon as I
clothes
get
on. Come on, just put some damn clothes on. Second Starbucks of the day. We on our way to downtown Disney. Starting our traveling at 6. Let's see when we get done. When we get done. Hopefully it's soon because I ain't trying to walk this whole time. Now, Mom, I think we crossed the street. When I say where we going, you say Disneyland. Where we going, Disneyland. Where we going, Disneyland. That's gonna be my chant. Ready?
Hi guys.
There's that way.
We are in downtown Disney, my dudes. Guys, it's Corinne's birthday tomorrow, right? It's your birthday tomorrow.
What's up?
What's
Out here with my shorty, out in Disneyland. We're just gonna go get some Patrick
Favorite
Sword.
YouTuber has been over here.
What is up, everybody?
What is up, everybody? We are here. We are here, we are here, we are here.
Oh my god, that is a bright sunset, huh?
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's awesome.
What's the point of the sunglasses?
How can you not be happy?
What is up, my guys? I am bored, but I'm doing alright.
No, he said this is awesome. This is awesome. We're on to the next adventure. I'm not really for sure what we're gonna do, so
Huntington Beach.
whatever. We'll see you later.
Whatever.
We'll see you later.
What is up, everybody?